Well, it's been a beautiful afternoon. After a chilly start this morning, temperatures are in the mid-60s. The sunshine and that southwesterly breeze largely responsible for pushing temperatures upward a bit. Dew points are still mid-30s, so we could still drop back to the mid to upper 30s overnight. But gradually, the next few mornings won't be nearly as cold as what we've seen the past couple of mornings. And again, this morning in the city, it was above freezing. But as we mentioned last night, areas away from the city will be back below freezing. I think there'll be more isolated spots below freezing overnight, as many of us trend upward to mid to upper 30s. Either way, still below average. But today we were closer to where the typical high is for this time of year, with lows or highs in the low to mid 60s. Still a few spots in the upper 50s now as the sun gradually starts to set and a more rapid drop off through the evening hours. If you have plans to be out this evening, it'll cool off rapidly, 50s eventually down to the 40s. We compare this to 24 hours ago. We are running some 15 to 20 degrees higher. And again, the warming trend continues through tomorrow, the end of the week, and on into the weekend. We've seen a clear sky most of the day. It'll stay that way tonight. But tomorrow, the one thing you'll notice is more clouds drifting in, and that will be with a front coming in from the north and west, basically just bringing a reinforcing shot of dry air. The Gulf shut off from any moisture, so we'll get clouds from it, but no rain, and the clouds will thin out heading through the day on Friday, so still dry through the end of the week. So temperatures overnight still chilly, away from the city, near 32, in town more mid to upper 30s. And throughout the day tomorrow, even with clouds coming in, high temperatures will trend back into the upper 60s, more low to mid 60s at higher elevations, and the clouds will thin on out later on tomorrow night. So by Friday, we'll see temperatures upper 30s, low 40s. The rest of Friday, partly to mostly sunny, and there you have it. Temperatures back in the low 70s. All that freezing weather is all but a memory. In fact, for football games, which is playoff time in both Georgia, Tennessee, and all across the region, temperatures at kickoff for early Friday evening, not too bad considering how cold it's been. Kickoff temperatures in the 50s down to the 40s by late game, and a dry start into the weekend. Our next rain chance may not arrive till early next week. This takes us through Sunday, maybe a slight chance off to the east. Everybody else mainly dry. Even on Monday, more clouds drift in throughout the day and still warm with highs upper 60s nearing 70. But the chance of showers might creep in very late day through Monday night and to the start of Tuesday. And you'll see that reflected in the 7-day forecast. Nothing severe with that either. So your forecast tomorrow, sunny and then partly sunny as clouds drift in for the afternoon. 30s early, mid to upper 60s through the late stage of the day. 7-day forecast shows highs 70 or higher Friday through the weekend. Just a slight shower chance east on Sunday and a slight shower chance late Monday into Tuesday. Either way, through that time, temperatures remain a little above average into next week.
All right, David, thank you.